Tony sees a truck so green and bright, shining wheels and morning light. Big smiling face says hello, ready to clean the city below. Wow! Garbage truck feels so right. Tony climbs with happy cheer. Big truck door is open near. Steps are shiny, fun and tall. He feels excited, ready for all. Hey, let's go, adventure is here. Tony sits and holds the wheel, feeling joy that's truly real. Buttons glowing, colors bright, ready for a cleaning ride. A Tony drives, what a deal. Truck is moving down the street, cleaning mess with steady beat. Trees and people smile with joy. Tony helps every girl and boy. Cleaning city feels so sweet. Robotic arm goes up so high, picking trash beneath the sky. Bins are lifted one by one, cleanup work is so much fun. Pick the trash, passes by. Street is shining clean and bright. Everything looks pure and right. Tony smiles with happy face, helping clean city better place. Clean city, pure delight. Colors sorted left and right, paper, plastic, clean and light. Tony learns what waste should be, helping nurse stay fresh and free. Recycle time, so fun and bright. Big truck drives to station gate, carrying waste that must not wait. Machines are working all around, clean new system can be found. Dump it, helps the city great. City sparkles clean again, no more dust or dirty stain. People clap and cheer for Tony, smiling bright and feeling funny. Big great job, joy remains. Sun is glowing warm and low, clean streets beautifully show. Tony waves with proud delight, city shining pure and bright. Her clean city hero steals the show. Tony rides the police car today. Zoom, zoom, driving on the way. Red light shining bright and clear. Tony smiles with lots of cheer, helping friends both far and near. Tony starts the patrol ride, police car moving side to side. Lights are flashing in the sun, driving safely is so fun. Tony's job has just begun. Little puppy lost and sad, Tony comes, the puppy's glad. Police car waiting by the tree. Tony helps so happily. Now the puppy runs with glee. Traffic moving here and there. Tony watches with great care. Stop and go, he shows the way. Carsmen go, he show every day. Cars move safely every day. Tony keeps the roads okay. Naughty monkey runs away. Tony follows on the way. Police car rolling not too fast. Monkey drops but not too fast. Police car rolling not too fast. Monkey drops banana at last. Everyone laughs loud and vast. Balloon floating ends to cry. Tony helps and jumps up high. Balloon comes drifting from the sky. Happy smiles go passing by, looking down so nervously. Tony helps the kitty down, now it run the town, how it paws all safe and sound. School kids waiting near the road, he stops the traffic flow. Tony stops the traffic flow, cross the road he waves his hand. Tony smiled as done's his hand. Kids walk safely as they planned, kids walk safely as they planned. Tony helps to cross the land. Police car parked back home again. Tony waves and says, okay, see you in another play. Tony saw something big one day, a yellow excavator at the bay. Tony smiled with joy inside. Wow, he said, let's dig and play. Tony sat in the cabin seat, holding controls, oh what a treat. Up and down the arm could go, moving slow then not so slow, driving was really neat. Dig, dig, dig the sand. Tony scooped it from the land, bucket full and lifting high. Tony waved his hand. Lift, lift, lift the dirt. Up it worked without a hurt, floating high without a care. Hard work never felt like work. Tony filled the truck with sand, dump truck smile big and wide, happy to take the ride. Best teamwork in the land. Rocks were big but Tony tried, lifting them with bucket wide, clearing space for work and play. Tony beamed with pride. Dig a hole deep and round. Tony moved the sandy ground. Bucket down and bucket up, like filling a giant cup. Fun sounds all around. Road was broken, oh no, no. Tony helped to fix it so, making roads smooth for fun. Now cars safely go. Clean, clean, clean the site. Tony made it neat and bright. Push the dirt and rocks aside, leave no mess behind to hide. Everything looked right. Sun went down so slow. Tony excavator parked with care. Golden light filled the air. Great job, Tony, go, go, go. Tony came to see the place. Machines were working at a pace. Trucks and cranes were big and tall. Sand and bricks were stacked in all. Excitement spread across his face. Tony saw machines so strong, working hard the whole day long. Bulldozers pushed the ground around. Engines made a rumbling sound. Watching them felt like a song. Tony wore a helmet bright, keeping him safe and right. Safety rules are good to know, anywhere we work or go. Smart kids always do it right. Excavator scooped the ground, lifting dirt without a sound. Tony smiled with joy and cheer, watching digging happen near. Fun, construction all around. Dump truck came with sand to drop, tilted high up at the top. Sand rolled down in golden piles. Tony watched with happy smiles. Work continued without stop. Crane was reaching reaching to the sky, lifting blocks way up so high. Tony watched with wonder bright. Tony watched with wonder bright. Such an amazing working sight. Machines can really fly. Bulldozer pushed away, making space for work today. Big strong blade moved left to light, helping builders lead the way. Bricks were stacked one by one, building walls in the sun. Tony saw the house grow tall, workers building strong for all. Construction work is fun. Soon the building stood up high, shining bright against the sky. Tony clapped with joy inside after his construction ride. Work was done with pride nearby. Sun was setting warm and gold. Tony's story now was told. Machines rested after the day. Tony smiled along the way, adventure brave and bold.